Consider the following statements about Arawallis. It is a mountain range in northwestern India, starting near Delhi, passing through southern Haryana and Rajasthan, and ending in Gujarat. The highest peak is Guru Shikha. It is the oldest range of fold mountains in India. Which of the above statements is or correct? The answer to this is 1, 2, and 3. Why have we taken this practice question? Because of the reference given in this article. When you look into the article, it says, allow us to resume mining in Arawalli Hills, Haryana tells Supreme Court. When you look into the background to this particular issue, we have 3 states along the Arawalli range. Which are the 3 states? One is Rajasthan, the other is Gujarat, and the third is Haryana. What is happening in this particular region? When you look into this particular Arawalli range, there are a number of forests. These forests are acting as a protective barrier. One is it is increasing the forest cover, providing the ecological balance in the system, and at the same time ensuring that the dust storms does not reach Delhi as it is acting as a protective barrier. But what is the major issue right now? When you look into this particular region, let's say for example Haryana, there's also a part of the Arawalli range. What is happening? There is excessive mining that is taking place in the region of Gujarat, in the region of Haryana, and also in the region of Rajasthan as well. Because of excessive mining, this has resulted in what is called as loss of forest cover. Since there is loss of the forest cover, this has resulted in deterioration of the groundwater. This has resulted in increasing dust storms that are reaching to Delhi as well. And as a result, the mining that is taking place in the Arawalli range is indirectly contributing to the depleting groundwater and at the same time increasing the pollution as well. Why? When it comes to the forest cover, it is also acting as a lungs to this particular region. It is giving out oxygen, but with deforestation, increasing of the mining, it is not able to take up the carbon that is present in that region. And as a result, what we actually witness is excessive amount of pollution because there is conduction of the mining activity. Added to the ooze of this particular issue is the loss of biodiversity as well. What do we mean by biodiversity loss? When you look into this particular region, it is housing number of biodiversity species. Let's say for example tigers, leopards, wolves, blackbucks, Indian gazelle, desert fox, the great Indian bustard, migratory common cranes, ducks, so on and so forth. Before this particular mining activity was taken into picture, there were a number of biodiversity species. But with these activities increasing over a period of time, what we have seen is a substantial drop when it comes to the species diversity in this particular region. So what is the detrimental factor here? The detrimental factor is in reference to the mining, which is why the Supreme Court of India had stepped into picture. It had regulated that excessive mining should not take place in and around the Arawalli range. But what is the problem right now? The Haryana government says that because of COVID-19, there have been losses. The economy is not going that good, which is why they are asking for reviving of the mining in that particular region. So they are asking the Supreme Court, so they are seeking the permission from the Supreme Court so that they can start off with the mining activity so that the economy is boosted.